Let's say we have a number 2 and 136 thousandths. And we're going to compare it to a number as 2 and 299 thousandths. The first thing that you want to do is find the greatest place value in either number. So you look to the number to the farthest left. That will be the greatest place value. This one, underline it. That's the ones place. Does this one have a ones place? It sure does. Now just compare the ones place. You have a digit that is a 2, so that's 2 ones. And this has a digit of 2, which means 2 ones. So they are both the same. So you cross them out. Now go to the next place value to the right. This is the tenths place. This is the tenths place. It's just to the right of the decimal. Now compare. You have a 1 and a 2. Well, the digit 2 is greater than 1. So circle the 2. 2 is greater than 1. So that means that this whole answer, 2 and 299 thousandths, is greater than this number. But that's not how it reads. This is the way it reads from left to right. 2 and 136 thousandths is less than 2 and 299 thousandths. That's how you show work. Now, let's say we have a 1 and let's make it 9 thousandths, or hundredths, sorry. And we're going to compare it to 32 and 1/10. Now, once again, the first thing you do is look at the greatest place value in either number. This one has a ones place. This one is the tens place. So underline the tens place. This one doesn't have one. There's where the tens place would be. Fill this in with a digit. What's the only digit that has no value? That would be a 0. So now we can compare 3 and 0. Well, 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, and circle it, 1 and 99 hundredths is less than 32 and 1/10. Let's do another one. Let's do 99 thousandths, and we're going to compare it to let's do a different one. We'll make it 78 thousandths. Now, once again, look for the greatest place value in either number. This one has a tenths place. Now, most books will have a 0 out in front, but those have no value. So we look at the tenths place. There's the tenths. This one also has a tenths place. We compare them and we cross them out because they are the same value. Then we go to the next place value, the hundredths. We have a 9. We have a 7. Well, let's circle the 9 because 9 is greater than the 7. Therefore, 99 thousandths is greater than 78 thousandths. Let's go with one more. What happens if we have 1 and 25 hundredths compared to 1 and 25 hundredths? Again, look at the greatest place value, the farthest digit to the left. This one has a ones place, and this one has a ones place. They both have a digit of 1 in the ones place, therefore they are equal. Then we get to the next place value, the tenths. We compare them. We have a 2 and a digit of a 2. Those are equal, even in value. Then we go to the very last place value. There is a 5 and a 5. So nothing was greater than the other. So that therefore it must be equal. They also like to trick you by doing something like this. Let's say we have 7 tenths and we're going to compare it to this number. Now, again, you still need to look for the greatest place value. That's the greatest place value to the left of either number. Here we have a tenths place. Here we have a tenths place. Let's underline it. They both have a digit of 7, so therefore they are the same in value. Now let's go to the next place value, the hundredths. Well, this one has a 0, but this has nothing there. There is. Because how do you say this number? 7 tenths. How do you say this number? Not 70 hundredths, but 7 tenths. So you need to add a 0. And therefore, these are the same. And therefore, 7 tenths is equal to 7 tenths. And this is how you show work and how you solve to compare two numbers.